Usually I list three most important things. And the first, physical exercise. Second, mental strength. And the third, spiritual strength. Okay. Of course, this is a physical activities. You can gain your stamina and muscular tones, and of course it's get the power, strength of the muscle, and cardiovascular activities involved. So lots of physical benefit. And the second thing, it's not really like other sports. You have to focus to do lots of things through martial arts training. So you get a really strong mental strength. And we are not just kicking and punching. And after you learn the technique over here, go outside on the street, beating up somebody. It's not the good things to do. So control yourself in both strength of the mind, also good spirituality. So it's like judging good and evil. That's affect your spirit. If you are doing righteous things, that's build up your spirituality. Later you know difference between you before you started this training and after you train these things. Totally you're gonna be a different person. So those three are basic three things.